What's up guys, it's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will show you that how to put a blanket on a blanket cover. Alright guys, until now I did not know myself how to put a blanket in a blanket cover, and I found a super easy and a quick way to put a blanket in a blanket cover. And in today's video I will share with you the trick I have learned to put a blanket in a blanket cover the quickest way possible. Alright guys, so what you need to do first, I'll put my camera here. So what you need to do first, that you need to put the cover, you need to turn the cover other way around. Okay. So if there are two people helping you putting a blanket, it would be much faster and easier. But even for one person, it's not that bad. So you put the cover like this, and now what you gotta do is, this is the blanket. So you need to put this blanket like this on the cover, exactly like this. So now what you need to do is you start folding the cover with a blanket exactly like this, the way I'm doing. Fold it like this. Like this. Okay, so once it's folded like this, then what you need to do is the bottom side, you need to put your hands, I don't know if you can see it, so you need to put your hands like this. I'll show you. You need to put your hands like this. Okay. The whole thing, you put it under. Like this. Like this. And then do the same thing on the other side. This part is a bit tricky, a bit struggling, but if there are two people, it's much easier. So you do it like this, and then watch it, guys. What I'm gonna do, I put this like this in here, and then the other side I did the same. Now you started rolling the same way back as you from where you started rolling inside. Now you started rolling it back like this. Okay. Like this. Like this. It's a bit messy when you are with one person, like it doesn't look as clean as with two people, but as you can see, the cover is inside, I mean the blanket is inside the cover completely. Now what you need to do, just turn it other way around. And did you see this, guys? The blanket is inside the cover in few minutes. Alright guys, so did you see this? This is the super easy way to put the blanket inside the cover. And believe me that maybe you got confused a little bit when I was folding it from here. But when you will try it yourself, it would be super easy for you to put the thing inside and then start rolling it backwards. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.